some people expect the ball to be 4 or 6 from a road carrier, but it's not really the way it should normally play. But it's a final lap, and so... I'll give you some bowling spells here. Abdul Qadir, who's the left-arm spinner of England, has bowled the best individual spell in this tournament so far, with 4 overs, no maiden, 10 runs and 5 wickets. So it's 2.4 runs an over and 5 wickets taken. Adnan Nazir from Canada has bowled the second best spell in the tournament. 4 overs, no maiden, 13 runs and 5 wickets as well. So the finalist teams have had top 2 bowlers. What a great day it is. Sun is shining, we're playing on the ground and the sun is playing its hide and seek up there. Leading run scorers of this tournament were Shahid Khalid from Norway. Run rate just under 5 and over. And if they carry on the same run rate, the score will be just under 100, which I think will be slightly under par. And they would like to see something in the range of 120 on this pitch, which would be a very fighting total. They've contained England to 66 so far for the loss of 7 wickets, 13 overs pitched. Right, so the total now is I think 67, that's what the board is showing, and the 7 wickets have been so far after 14 overs, 6 remaining. Let's see how Sikandar will be faced by Nasir Basra. He's an off spinner with 68 on the board, touch shy of 5 and over. Nasir Basra was halfway down the pitch asking for another run, but of course batsmen did send him back. If you're not comfortable, I think it's the right decision at the end not to take a single, if a double when you do. It's a good shot, and only for a single. Oh, he's coming second. The umpire gives it out. I think it was a dangerous run to take. It wasn't 2 there, and Shahid has lost his wicket, and now England are 8 wickets down. It was Mahmood who threw in very well, and that dangerous double, in the end you get only 1 run, but you've lost a wicket as well. So 8 wickets down now, 75 on the board, 15 overs gone, just shy under 5 and over. It's more like team performances. The ones who are playing final are actually playing the 6th match in the tournament. Hazur has come in. Narae Takbir! Khilafat Ahmadiyya! And there was no need for that shot. England have lost their last wicket, and it's all out for 77. The leading wicket taker so far is from England was Abdul Qadir from UK. He's taking 11 wickets so far, so they've got some good bowlers. They also have Abid Ahmed, who took 9 wickets so far, and then Ataul, then I think Zishan Nasir. But well done to Canada, of course. They've played excellent cricket so far. Great bowling. They won the match against the Germany team with excellent batting performance at the end, and they won a match. They sort of snatched the victory from jaws of defeat. Since morning, we've been playing cricket here, and the sun has been playing, as I said, hide and seek with the help of clouds. But for the last an hour or so, we have not seen anything but sun. Of course, clouds are there to make it picturesque and beautiful, but sun is shining at its best at the moment, and sitting in sun is feeling very, very nice. The family's out there, and it's amazing how much interest is being shown. If you look at people's body language sitting around the park, everybody's intently following this match, which is quite an amazing thing. Even little children, ladies, men, everyone is focused on the game. So I think education of the team, of cricket, is also getting better and better. England players are coming out now with a heads up, with positive attitude, and then they have one simple task ahead: to dismiss Canada under 77. Good shot, good fielding, Mr. Butt. And that is clean bowled. The first wicket gone for Canada now. It's a bit of a difficult situation now for Canada for a start. The first over, first wicket gone, and the batsman is clean bowled. Shiraz is coming back to the pavilion very slowly, of course dejected. But that was a very good ball, certainly, because he played straight. Apparently there was nothing wrong with the shot, because he did use his feet. But the ball hit the wickets, perhaps the middle stump, but I can't say for sure from this angle. Now, Abid has got his first wicket, who's been one of the top wicket takers for England anyway. The new batsman now is Nasir Ahmed, who's wearing the green helmet and black and white jumper. And bowler is also Nasir Ahmed, so we've got two Nasirs. Nasir is bowling to Nasir. And I would call it Battle Fatu end is bowling from.
Batting right now, Manzoor Chaudhary.
Well played, watchfully played there, and the fielder has actually come very close. Sharkey was a fielder there, who's thrown the back ball to the skipper of the team, Irfan, who was the man of the match in the previous match, but wasn't able to score much in this game. That's a lovely shot there, and it's gone past the fielder. And it was a very, very good shot. Very well timed. You can see the speed of the ball. It reached the boundary in a blink of an eye.
Bowler ball कराएंगे मंजूर साहब को अब और ये अच्छी बाल थी, लेकिन मंजूर साहब ने बहुत अच्छा ये चौका मारा और गेंद रेड़ती रेड़ती आखिर सीमा रेखा पार कर गई। इसके साथ ही कनाडा के स्कोर में 4 का इजाफा। अगर मैनू भुल भुलेखा नहीं लग रहा तो 15, एक विकेट के नुकसान ते 2 ओवर 15।
He's got 11 wickets so far in the tournament, and he would like to hunt for a few more because England needs it desperately. Great atmosphere here. Lovely weather now, and your company you've got now is the best possible company in the world, as Gulumar Sadiqeen. Now Abdul Qadir is the bowler. These must be bye runs, I would have thought, because we didn't hear it. Nick from the bat. We'll wait for umpire's decision as to what umpire thinks it was. Yes, it was a leg. It was a leg bye. It wasn't a bye. It was a leg bye. Leg bye means that when the ball hits your leg or any part of the body apart from your gloves, and then you run for it. It's not your run as a batsman, it's a run for the team. That is a great shot up there. It must be a 6 now from the word go. It does end up somewhere else. It's not in the ground, the ball is gone. Forget about that now. Bring a new ball out. Now that is a 6 there, and I think the best 6 so far in the match. And that does bring Canada in more comfortable situation. England must not lose hope. You keep trying right to the last minute. That's what the life is all about.
ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਮੈਚ 'ਚ ਮੈਂ ਜਰਮਨੀ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਂਦਾ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੋਵਾਂ ਟੀਮਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦਾਗ ਦੇਵੋ, ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਵੀ ਨਾਰਾ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੇ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਵਾਲੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਟੀਮ ਨੂੰ ਦਾਗ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ, ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਹੱਕ ਬਣਦਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਐਪਰੀਸ਼ੀਏਟ ਕਰਨਾ। ਉਹ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਔਰ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਨੇ। ਜਦੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਮੇਰਾ ਤੱਲਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਜਰਮਨੀ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਨਮਕ ਖਾਧਾ ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਖਾਣਾ ਪਿਆ। ਅੱਗੇ ਖੱਬਾ ਪਾਸਾ ਪੁੱਛਦੇ ਹਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਕਿੱਧਰ ਮੈਂ ਜਰਮਨੀ ਵਾਲੇ ਤੇ ਸੱਜਾ ਇੱਧਰ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਸੀ ਵੀ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਹੀ ਜਿੱਤਣਾ ਹੈ। ਉਹਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਵਜ੍ਹਾ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਸਫ਼ਰ ਬੜਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਅੱਛਾ ਤੇ ਖੂਬਸੂਰਤ ਛਿੱਕਾ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਜੀ ਹੋਣੇ ਨੇ ਮੀਟਰ ਰਾਜ਼ਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ
Another good shot and missed the fingers of the fielder, and the result is 4 runs. 10 runs in the last 2 balls. But the people who are in favor of 2020 say, no, you still need good skill. You need to use your brains, use your patience, perseverance. Sometimes bad over could be turned around if you use your skills of perseverance and hard work and a positive attitude. Positivity is very important in life, to be positive about everything. Setbacks do come, but of course you have to lift yourself quick enough. Great shot there, and let's see what happens. Good fielding, and good throw back to the keeper, Kaisar Mahmood.
आपने जो सन की बात की है तो मुझे ख्याल आया है कि पूरी दुनिया को रूहानी रोशनी देने के लिए जो सूरज हमारे करीब मौजूद है ये उसकी बदौलत ये वाला सूरज जो है हमें धूप दे रहा है। इससे पहले मौसम अच्छा नहीं था सुबह से लेके अब तक और ये हजूर पुर नूर की आमद की वजह से उनकी बरकतों से अब बहुत ही अच्छा मौसम है और अच्छा मैच हो रहा है।
Cricket historically started as a game by shepherds in England, but then it became more popular amongst the higher class of the community in this country, and was called a gentleman's game. And the great thing is that now this community has been holding these great events in this very country, England, and the 16 different teams are playing. So in fact, this country hasn't seen a tournament like this, even outside the community, bringing so many teams. That was very high ball, and it seems like the umpire gives a wide, and that's a victory for Canada. And now these players are going in happily, jumping, and of course Canada will lift the trophy once again. The third Masood tournament, it concludes with Canada lifting trophy for the second time in the last 3 years.
I think इसको मैं खत्म करना चाहता हूँ। पहले नारे तकबीर, नारे तकबीर, जमाते अहमदिया आलमगीर।
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها لها ما كسبت وعليها ما اكتسبت ربنا لا تؤاخذنا إن نسينا أو أخطأنا ربنا ولا تحمل علينا إصرا كما حملته على الذين من قبلنا ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين.
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. سیدی جان سے پیارے آقا السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. محض اللہ تعالیٰ کے فضل اور حضور انور کی دعاؤں سے مجلس صحت یو کو امسال تیسرا انٹرنیشنل مسرور کرکٹ ٹورنامنٹ کا انعقاد کرنے کی سعادت ملی. الحمدللہ آج ہمارا یہ ٹورنامنٹ انتہائی کامیابی کے ساتھ اللہ تعالیٰ کے فضل سے اختتام پذیر ہو رہا ہے. اس ٹورنامنٹ میں شرکت کرنے کے لیے بیرونی ممالک سے بدھ کے روز سے ٹیموں کی آمد شروع ہو گئی تھی. گزشتہ سال حضور انور نے اس خواہش کا اظہار فرمایا تھا کہ آئندہ سال زیادہ ٹیمیں آنی چاہیے. سال محض اللہ تعالیٰ کے فضل سے 16 ٹیموں نے شرکت کی، جو گزشتہ سال کے مقابلے میں 4 زیادہ ہیں الحمدللہ. ان میں کینیڈا، امریکہ، سوئٹزرلینڈ، بیلجیم، آئرلینڈ، جرمنی، ناروے، ہالینڈ، انڈیا، پاکستان، بنگلہ دیش اور برطانیہ کے علاوہ جامعہ احمدیہ اور UK اور عمیر لیمن شامل ہیں. ٹورنامنٹ کا افتتاح حضور انور کے ارشاد پر محترم امیر صاحب UK نے مورخہ 20 مئی بروز جمعہ صبح 8:30 بجے دعا سے کیا. اس ٹورنامنٹ میں کل 32 میچ کھیلے گئے. پہلا سیمی فائنل کینیڈا جرمنی، دوسرا سیمی فائنل ناروے برطانیہ، جس میں کینیڈا اور برطانیہ نے کامیابی حاصل کی. فائنل میچ برطانیہ اور کینیڈا کا ہوا، جس میں کینیڈا نے پہلی پوزیشن حاصل کی. پیارے حضور، امسال اللہ تعالیٰ کے فضل سے موسم انتہائی خوشگوار رہا اور انتہائی خوشگوار ماحول میں کانٹے دار مقابلہ جات ہوئے، جن کو کھلاڑیوں اور شائقین نے بہت پسند کیا. سیدی آخر میں خاصا تمام انتظامیہ اور کارکنان کا شکریہ ادا کرنا چاہتا ہے، جنہوں نے اس ٹورنامنٹ کو کامیاب بنانے میں سخت محنت، خلوص اور لگن سے کام کیا. اس میں شعبہ ٹرانسپورٹ، مہمان نوازی اور گراؤنڈ کی تیاری کے کارکنان خصوصی دعاؤں کے مستحق ہیں. خاکسار محترم امیر صاحب UK کا بھی تہہ دل سے ممنون ہے کہ انہوں نے ہر موقع پر ہماری سرپرستی اور رہنمائی فرمائی. نیز محترم صدر صاحب مجلس انصار اللہ اور صدر صاحب مجلس خدام احمدیہ برطانیہ کا بھی شکریہ ادا کرنا چاہتا ہوں، جنہوں نے ہر قدم پہ ہماری حوصلہ افزائی کی. جزاکم اللہ. اس موقع پر تمام ممالک کے امراء کرام اور کھلاڑیوں کا بھی شکریہ ادا کرنا چاہتا ہوں کہ جنہوں نے دور دراز ممالک سے ٹیموں کی شرکت کو یقینی بنایا اور خلافت کے شہدائیوں کو اس ٹورنامنٹ میں شرکت کا موقع بہم پہنچایا. اللہ تعالیٰ تمام احباب کو جزائے عظیم سے نوازے. خاکسار حضور انور کا تہہ دل سے ممنون ہے کہ حضور انور اپنے قیمتی وقت میں سے اپنے خدام کے لیے وقت نکالا اور عشائیہ میں شرکت فرمائی اور کھلاڑیوں کو شرف مصافحہ سے نوازا. یہ عاجز حضور کا تہہ دل سے ممنون اور مشکور ہے کہ حضور انور اپنی گوناگو مصروفیات کے باوجود ازراہ شفقت تشریف لائے اور رونق افروز ہوئے. خاکسار کی حضور انور کی خدمت دعا کی درخواست ہے کہ اللہ تعالی ہمیں اور ہماری آئندہ نسلوں کو بھی خلافت سے ہمیشہ وابستہ رکھے اور خلافت کی برکات اور فیوز سے ہم حصہ پانے والے ہوں. آمین. خاکسار حضور انور کی خدمت سے درخواست ہے کہ حضور ازراہ شفقت کھلاڑیوں میں اپنے دست مبارک سے انعامات تقسیم فرمائیں.
Assalamu alaikum. Can I please request Baitul Noor region, who won the first Majlis Sehat national tournament last month, to come and collect the winner's trophy, the captain of the Baitul Noor region. Can I also request the captain of the Baitul Futur region, who won the second prize? Jazakallah. Now to some special prizes. In the scorers, Fahim Batsab, Chris Corson, Shahid Rashid, Umar Rasool, Jameel Ahmed, Zafir Batsab, Ali Tahir, Mujibur Rahman, Sabi Ahmed, and Mudassir Rahman. Umpires for this tournament, can I please request Mr. Franklin, Mr. Basit Ali, Mr. Kamran, Ataullah, Belgium. Mudassir Rahman, scorer. Mudassir Rahman, special prize scorer. Ataullah, Belgium captain. Jazakallah for your umpiring duties. Sayyid Hashim Akbar Saab. Mr. Rakesh. I know he's not here, so can Mr. Sabahat Ahmed, who's the umpire coordinator, come forward to collect his award? Mr. Lloyd. Mr. Chris Corson. And then some further special prizes for working and in the international tournament. Mr. Usman Atfal, Ajmal Pasha for his duties in the transport department, Babar Sahib Kitchen, Tahir Ahmed, and Mubashir Bajwa Saab. Now I'll be calling out the team captains to come forward in alphabetical order. So can I please have Bangladesh's captain, Belgium, Canada, Germany, Germany A, India, Ireland, Jamia Ahmadiyya UK, Netherlands, oh sorry, alphabetical order में जा Norway, Umair 11, Switzerland, UKA, UK, and last but not least, USA. Sorry, I think I skipped Pakistan. Pakistan. Now for the man of the match final, Nasser Mahmood, Canada. Best fielder of the tournament, Kaisar Mahmood, UK. Best fielder. Best bowler, Adnan Nazir, Canada. Best batsman, Shahid Khalid, Norway. Player of the tournament, Ataul Aziz Saab, Norway. For 70 runs and 8 wickets, if I'm not wrong. Now moving to the final prizes. Third prize medals. Can I please request Germany's team to come forward in orderly fashion? Jazakallah. Germany. Main team. And the runners-up of this tournament, UK, can I please request the captain to come last, but team to come forward first. They played a very good tournament, but just got unlucky in the last and final match. And this year's champions and second-time winners of the Mysore International Cricket Tournament, Canada. Can I please request the team to come forward with the captain to come last? After this, can I please request the UK captain to come forward and collect the runners-up trophy? And the UK captain now to come and collect the runners-up trophy. Well played again. And now the captain of Canada to come and collect the winners' trophy.
Canada! UK!